40 bar.
So what you accepted, so people don't need to swim in the area, yeah?
Oh God,
what
no.
do you think?
I wouldn't go in there.
So, I make a video recording, so I can post on the Scunthorpe size.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's a fishing area anyway, so what happens is the guys with the lines throw them out. They get snagged on the little green growth that there is down there, and then obviously they pull it as hard as they can and it snaps the line. So you haven't got one or two hooks down there. I must have seen 2-3 dozen down there. Anytime I now see any green growth, I always think there's going to be hooks with it, and there usually is.
All right.
You've got a car in there, you've got a trolley.
Trolley?
Yeah, supermarket trolley. Probably from Morrison's around the corner.
All right.
Excuse me. And then you've also got a cone, you know, one of these no parking cones. Found one of them. There's also a load of other scrap metal that's just been dumped in there. So yeah, it's quite an interesting place to dive, and it's also not somewhere where I'd actually recommend.
All right. So you're not recommending people, kids, especially kids, to come and swim in this?
Now, as far as the dive's gone, we've actually gone in. We've done we've put what they call a datum point down, and then I've put a line from that, quite a heavy rope with a big weight on the end, a dong, and then I've swum along there, back along the other side, and then back along the first side. Then moved it, so I've actually searched the area once, twice, 3 times, and then I've put it across, and then I've searched once, twice, once, twice, and then move, and then once, twice, 3 times. So that's the pattern I've been doing. So it's actually been searched twice or 3 times. And when it is mucky down there at 4.8 meters, 4.8 meters. You actually have to use your torch right the way onto the base of the ground, onto the actual baseline. And I've got a couple of high-powered torches, and they're only able to see about that far.
All right.
So it's quite entertaining.
That's fine.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
It sounds like, very dangerous area.
No, it's not dangerous because you're only at 4 meters, well, just over 4.5 meters.
4.5 meters, yeah.
But it's still. You could still end up by running into something that you're not expecting.
Oh, right, see. Thank you very much.
Like I say, I found a car down there. I'm sure somebody knows it's here.
Somebody knows. What do you upset it to? Maybe council or somebody can come in to take out the car out?
Nah, they won't bother.
They'll
just leave it there. It's not doing any harm.
All right.
I've seen some very good roach, ranging from little baby ones right up to about that big. So I'm sure the fishermen will be interested in that. There's definitely roach in here. Must have seen about a dozen of them.
All right.
So there's quite a lot.
Okay.
And that's really it. So we're going to have a little bit of a rest now, change cylinders, go back down, have another look, see what we can find.
That's fine.
And if we can't find anything within the next 40 odd minutes, then we'll start to de-kit the dive site, because you can't leave it lying around.
That's fine.
And then we're going to have to call it a day, and then come back another time. Only the next scan that we do is going to have to be with the old metal detector.
All right.
And using an underwater metal detector, I'm going to have to speak to a colleague of mine who's done all that before, because I've never used one of those.
That's fine. All right.
But yeah.
All right. Thank you very much.
It's not dangerous, but it certainly concentrates the mind a bit.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for your information. All right. Thank you for Lincolnshire. Thank you very much.
There you go.